Alright guys, so it's April 2020 in Toledo, Ohio, and the big talk everywhere you look is the coronavirus, and the big question is, how's that going to affect you as a roofer or a contractor this year? And guys, say what you want about this virus, it's definitely having an economical effect across the board. Most people are going to be a lot more reluctant to spend that big chunk of money on a roofing or a siding project. And so what a better time than now to get into the insurance restoration business. It's actually on the forecast today. We're supposed to receive record hail in the Toledo area. So as a tool, as a funding perspective, the insurance angle is a great angle. I think that people, again, they're just going to be reluctant to spend a retail amount on a roof. And in a whole lot of cases, guys, roofs that you're going out to look at now, in a lot of cases, believe me, already have damage that would qualify as an insurance claim, and you guys don't even know about it. So if I were you, there's a couple things I would do. Check out my YouTube page, that link's right down here, and look at some of my videos. I got a lot of them. Look at a particular topic that interests you. The amount of training I have is very comprehensive. So if you guys want to get involved in this business, call me at this number here, and let's have a chat. I can set you guys up. I can show you how to get your leads remotely. I can show you how to do your inspections remotely. I can show you how to do business in such a way that this COVID thing, really won't cause too many issues with. All the solutions that are needed to get around this pandemic, we have the solutions for. And once again, if you're a contractor that's slower right now because of this pandemic, what a great time to train, right? So if you want to learn how to break into this business, and believe me, it's complex, there's a whole lot to it, we specialize in getting contractors into this business. Again, check out this YouTube page, tons and tons of great information. Call me. My phone's always on. Leave me a message if I don't answer. I'll get back to you. Let's get you guys feeling a lot better. Let's get you sleeping more sound. I don't want you guys worried about how you're going to pay the bills because you're worried about people buying roofs. You're not going to have to worry about that after you learn my system and start doing insurance restoration. Now is the time. Here's your opportunity. Take advantage, guys. Rob with RKC. Love you.